I love pancakes, but I get tired of ordinary pancakes, with just syrup. So I decided to make these wonderful inside-out pancakes. Actually, I had them on the streets of Korea one time. They're a Korean street food, and they came out so good. So let me show you how to make these. Okay, first we're going to sift 2 cups of flour. Next, half a cup of rice flour. And if you don't have it, you can just add an extra half a cup of flour. I just happen to have rice flour kicking around in my pantry, and it adds that little bit of elasticity, a little more body to it. Now we'll add in a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, and make sure it's the instant yeast. And we'll just mix everything together. And for the wet ingredients, a cup and 2 tablespoons of milk. And make sure it's about 110 degrees, and you can use water too. And a tablespoon of oil. Now onto the mixer. And we'll just mix this up until a dough forms. So you want it something like this. It's a little bit sticky, but not to the point where it sticks to your hands, and you can adjust it accordingly. If it's a little bit sticky, add a little more flour. A little too dry, add a little more milk. You really don't have to knead this. I'm just going to throw some saran wrap over the top and put it in a warm place for about an hour till it doubles in size. Okay, see you in an hour. I'm going to go have a nap. Actually, I was just kidding. While the dough is rising, let's make our filling by combining a 1/4 cup of white sugar with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, depending on how cinnamony you want it, if that's a word, and a 1/4 cup of mixed nuts. And if you want to skip the nuts, you can just leave it out. And we'll just give this a stir until it's well combined. Oh, this smells so good with that cinnamon. Okay, now the fun part. I'm going to start by oiling up my hands so the dough doesn't stick. Grab a good pinch of the mixture, and we're just going to roll this into a ball. So you want this at least, I'd say a couple of inches, something like this. That's about perfect. And just set this aside on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper. Now what you're going to do is grab up one of your dough balls and set it on a flat surface. Just kind of flatten it out. No need to flour this. There's enough oil on my hands now that it won't stick. Take a rolling pin, and we're just going to roll this out. I'd say till it's about 6 inches in diameter. Rolling we will go. Grab up about a heaping tablespoon of the mixture and place it into the center. And grab up your 4 edges. Kind of fold them together, something like making a chappao if you've ever made one of those before. And then just pinch them shut. And I should mention, you want a really good pinch on this, just to make sure they're sealed shut, or it's sealed shut. And onto the baking sheet, seam side down, and you'll get about 8 out of these 8 pancakes. Next up, add some oil to a pan over medium-low heat. And you can use peanut oil, vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you like, or a tablespoon or 2. Place our pancake in, and we want this seam side down. I'm just going to put some oil on the back of about a 5-inch ramekin here. Put the ramekin on and press down, and we'll leave this for about 40 seconds. And take the ramekin off and give it a flip over. Press it down for another 40 seconds, and you'll be good to go. And there you have it, guys, our simply delicious cinnamon sugar inside out pancakes. Wow. Okay, let's see what we have here, guys. I'm just gonna break into this. Doesn't this look incredible? Wow. And just look at this. The cinnamon and sugar has just melted right into the nuts. You couldn't ask for a better inside-out pancake. Wow. Okay, it's pancake cheers time. Cheers. Okay, I can hardly wait to taste this. I'll tell you, there's no syrup required here. This is just pancake goodness supreme. It is so good. You gotta make these. For this recipe and many other great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com, really cool site. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.